Hi guys, I am Prashanthi and you're watching Cook with Prashanthi. Today I am going to tell how to make Ash Gourd Sambar. For that, first we will take 1 cup of split pigeon peas, rinse in water 3 times till the water is clear, and now I am taking it into a pressure cooker. Later I will be adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 green chilies which are cut into long slices, and 2 medium sized tomatoes chopped, few curry leaves and few garlic cloves, and I will be adding 3 cups of water. Pressure cook till 4 whistles and set aside till the pressure is released. After that, we will open the pressure cooker. You can see in the video how it looks. Meanwhile, I have cut the ash gourd into small pieces. After removing the skin, I have a detailed video on how to cut an ash gourd into small pieces. Please do check that. I will give the link in the description below. See, once the pressure is released, this is how it looks. Now we will take a pot and heat 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, we will add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few garlic cloves, few curry leaves, 3 dried red chilies, and a pinch of asafoetida, and onions or shallots as you prefer, and later the ash gourd pieces, and saute for some time. Now we will be adding 3 teaspoons of sambar powder, and salt to taste, coriander powder half teaspoon, cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon, and saute for 30 seconds. And we will be adding the prepared lentil stew to this, and add water as required depending upon the consistency which you prefer, and cook it for good 20 to 25 minutes. Once it comes to rolling boiling and the ash gourd pieces are cooked well, you can turn off the flame. Our ash gourd sambar is ready to be served. Here tamarind juice is optional. If you want, you can add, or else you can avoid it. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.